next thing we need to talk about is a little bit about how ChatGPT works at a very high level. Here's a conversation that I had with ChatGPT. It's a very real one and also very trivial and stupid. My name is Colt. And then it responds, nice to meet you, Colt. How can I assist you? And then I asked, how many chickens do I need to get a dozen eggs a day? And then it says, on average, a hen lays 5 to 7 eggs per week, so you need 12 to 14 hens. And then I asked it, what is my name? Your name is Colt. So clearly, it seems like it remembers stuff from earlier in the conversation. And if it didn't, it would be very hard to use. But behind the scenes, what's actually happening and what's important to understand is that every single time I talk within a single conversation with ChatGPT, every message I send, my entire message history is sent along with it. So my first message is, my name is Colt. It takes that and it generates a response. Nice to meet you, Colt. How can I assist you today? Then, when I send my next message, how many chickens do I need to get a dozen eggs a day? This whole transcript is fed through to the model. All three messages. My first message, ChatGPT's response, and my second message. This is now the full context it gets. So it's not just getting this new message, it gets my full transcript. And then it responds, on average, a hen will lay about 5 to 7, blah, blah, blah. And then for my final message here, where I asked, what is my name? It doesn't just magically remember that my first message said, my name is Colt. It doesn't keep that in its memory anywhere. Instead, this full chat transcript is sent. And the very first thing I said is, my name is Colt. The last thing I said is, what is my name? It has the information needed contained within this transcript to respond back with, your name is Colt. So whenever I have a conversation, even a long conversation like this one here, I'm kind of zoomed in way far, but this is a conversation I had about building a web application. Every message, if I send a new message in here, down at the very bottom, whatever I type here will be sent along with the full conversation history off to ChatGPT or off to one of the GPT models, and then it will generate a response because it has all of this context. It's not working with one message at a time, it's working with the full conversation each time, including ChatGPT's own responses. So I just want to explain that up front because I think a lot of people assume that the logical way it works is that it has a memory, it remembers every word or every message that you send it and every message it sends back. It's kind of true, but the only way it works is that the full transcript is sent to the model every time we talk to it.